Welcome back to our channel, fashion enthusiasts. Today, we have a real treat for you. An exploration of elegance and style in the world of elegant evening dresses. Whether it's for a special gala, a romantic dinner, or a high-profile event, the perfect evening dress can make you feel like a queen. So let's dive into the charm of these exquisite outfits. When it comes to formal occasions, nothing compares to the timeless appeal of an evening dress. These dresses are a symphony of sophistication, from the way they flow to their intricate details. Let's talk about the silhouette, A-line, sheath, or mermaid. There is an evening dress style for everyone. The elegance they bring is truly unmatched. But let's not forget cocktail dresses. They are the epitome of versatile chic. A well-chosen cocktail dress can be as elegant as a long dress, while allowing you to dance all night long. And best of all, they come in a variety of styles, from classic black to vibrant colors and patterns. It's all about expressing your unique style. Now, one thing that makes elegant evening dresses even more captivating is the art of accessories. A striking necklace, sparkling earrings, and a clutch can completely transform your look. Don't forget the power of the right pair of heels. They can add height and sophistication. It's all in the details. So, whether you're attending a grand gala or a romantic dinner, remember that the elegance of your evening dress can be your ultimate secret weapon. It's not just a dress, it's a statement, an expression of your style and a window to your personality. As always, stay tuned for more fashion tips and inspiration. Until next time, embrace your elegance.